Find an equation of variation in which y varies directly as x and y equals 1.5 when x equals 3. Then find the value of y when x equals 25. An equation of direct variation has the form y equals k times x, where k is called the variation constant. And we need to find this constant, and we'll use the fact that y is 1.5 when x equals 3. To do that, we'll substitute 1.5 for y and 3 for x in this equation. So we have 1.5 equals k times 3, and then to solve for k, I divide both sides by 3, and that tells me that k is equal to 0.5. So if I go back to this equation and substitute 0.5 for k, I have the equation of variation, and it is y equals 0.5x. So this is the first thing that we were asked to find. Now we want to find the value of y when x is 25. So we'll use the equation y equals 0.5x, and we'll substitute 25 for x. Y equals 0.5 times 25, and doing this multiplication, I get 12.5. So y is 12.5 when x is 25.